So guys, I finally tried this out on how to make passion twist with only one pack of straight braiding hair. And not only that, someone out there is going to become super rich after watching the tutorial, because guys, I went all out and showed you guys how you can package and sell them and make money for yourselves. And also I'll be giving away this hair as well, so make sure you watch through the video to find out how you can participate in the giveaway. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Blessing A Kato. Hi, if you are new, you are welcome to the family. So guys, I'm going to be using Lush hair LiQWYD braids in color 1. So in order to achieve this, you want to take the one pack of Lush hair and cut it in half. So guys, this video was inspired by LiQWYD Speak, so I'm actually trying out what she did. For this tutorial, you will need bobbin pins, scissors, and 5 packs of straw. Each pack contains 13 straws, and you want to make sure you get a straw that is kind of hard and not soft. To coil the hair, you want to take out a piece of hair, and now I'm just going to bend my hair in the middle and insert my straw. And once you insert the straw, you want to give a little space, like 2 inches, just so that you will be able to bend the straw down and secure with bobby pin. So after securing the hair with a bobby pin, you want to just keep wrapping your hair around the straw, and while wrapping the hair, please make sure you give you like space in between. As you wrap the hair halfway through, you want to turn your straw around and then start wrapping the hair backwards in between the spaces that you created. And once you are done, girl, this is your passion twist. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this one more time, and then I'm going to move over to the next part. So yeah, I'm showing you how 3 strands looks like. It doesn't have to come out the same. If your hair comes out like this, girl, you are good to go. So guys, I already went ahead to dip my hair in hot water, as you can see, and I allowed it to sit for about 1 minute. So I'm bringing it out and I'm going to allow it to dry down overnight. So now that the hair is dried, I'm going to take off the straw, and to take off the straw, you want to like hold the end of the straw and just pull your hair out. After taking off the straw, I'm going to unravel the hair, and to do that, I will want to like hold the end point and just pull them back to the starting point. And this is the easiest way to unravel your twist. Your hair is going to remain intact without you ruining your coil pattern. So at this point, I'm going to separate the hair, and once you get to the end, if you feel there's a knot or something like that, instead of pulling the hair, just get your scissors and cut that off and you are good to go. So guys, at this point I was done. Like, girl, this hair is pretty and I'm so proud of myself. Guys, I am loving how it turned out. So now if you want to make this and set this, you will need like a ribbon or anything that you like to use. Put the ribbon at the middle of the hair and try to make a cute bow. I'm so sorry guys, I didn't know, I wasn't showing you guys how to do it because I'm not very perfect with making bows. So you want to try out something you know you can do and you're good to go. Guys, I went to my local beauty supply store and I got a dozen of this transparent easy packaging bags, and that's like 12 pieces because I didn't want much. I just wanted to show you guys how to package and sell. It was really inexpensive. I got it for like 100 naira for a dozen, and that's like less than $1. So it was really inexpensive, and I literally made 6 packs of passion twist hair with 1 pack of braiding hair. If you think of it, this cost me only less than $3 in my local beauty supply store, which is like about 2000 naira in Nigeria currency. So if you are someone hard or looking for something to do to get like extra income, you can definitely try this out and sell to people. So guys, I will be uploading a separate video for making my hair with this passion twist, and this is how it turned out, guys. So guys, I will be doing a giveaway. This is like the very first time I'm going to be doing a giveaway on my channel. So for this tutorial, I'm going to be giving out 6 packs of passion twist. All you need to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel. Number 2, follow me on Instagram, and that's it guys. So guys, if you enjoyed this video and if you find this video very helpful, please leave a comment and I'll be more than happy to reply you guys. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if this is your first time watching my video, please do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified on every of my video. So guys, this is it. Can't wait to see you guys in my next one. Until then, stay fabulous, stay blessed, bye.